Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open the workbook and immediately look for compatibility mode in the title bar so you know an upgrade is needed. Once you see it, go to File and pause at Info to verify the file extension because XLS or older formats enforce compatibility restrictions. Make sure to scan for macros or external links first. They often force legacy saving. After that, you're ready to convert. This step replaces the compatibility constraints with modern features and avoids data loss from. Now you convert the workbook. Go to File Info and click Convert if available because that updates internal structure while keeping the same name. If Convert is not shown, pick File Save As and choose Excel Workbook XLSX. When Excel shows feature change warnings, read them. Some layout or legacy controls may alter. Make a backup first with a versioned file name so you can revert. Once saved as XLSX, the file can use newer functions and full ribbon features without restriction. Finish by closing and reopening the workbook to confirm the compatibility mode label is gone, because that proves conversion completed properly. Then test critical formulas, pivot tables, macros, and print layout to ensure everything behaves as expected. Differences can appear after format changes. If you encounter broken features or data loss, revert to the backup and inspect legacy elements, replace old controls or update macros. That step-by-step fallback prevents permanent problems while you transition to the modern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.